Hey everybody, thanks for switching over to Mo Go. Week 13 shenanigans still happening. Today we're at Daytona International. However, not how you've seen it. A lot of dirt on this course. One big old jump. I don't know why they put that mound there. 8 drivers on the number 6 car. I'm starting number 6. There was no qualifying. Oh, and we're in the Legends cars. So let's go have some fun. I was putting down some pretty quick times in practice. Generally top 3. It's more of like staying out of trouble. Also, this direct drive is whipping me. I had so much more control over the belt-driven one.
Green, green, green. Right side. Clear. Car right. Clear. Car on your left. Clear on the left.
I don't know how to get it to not do that. It happened to me one time in practice. Well, we were running it. It happened to me one time in practice. And then I couldn't recreate it. And then it just happened to me there. Be interesting to know which wheel is damaged. I'm assuming front left. Tops out at 97 miles an hour.
Hope you got it. Right car on the right. Car stops on the right. Go left. Car on your left. Go left. Clear on the left.
Handled that pretty well. P4. And then that happens. I don't even know what I did there. I really don't. I mean, fine till it wasn't. Power out, baby. Ooh.
You got a slow car on the left. Car stops on the left. Slow car ahead. Go left. Go left.
How I went through them, I don't know. Man, I love driving this thing on the dirt. Back and forth, third's right there.
New fast flat for you. You're in fourth position.
Oh, I got a guy right behind me. I should probably go through the Joker next.
Car 4 is now leading. Car stops on the right. New fast flat for you. You got a slow car on the right. You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 7.4 seconds.
I didn't make it in enough.
You got the black flag.
Yep.
You took the Joker one too many
See,
times.
what does that mean? I never took the Joker.
Lap of the session.
Did you not have to take it?
Running second.
I wish they would just close it or say something like, hey, don't take the Joker. So that definitely was the first time I've ever taken it.
The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 48.178.
See, this is some fucking bullshit.
Car on your left. Slow down. You got a penalty for cutting the course. Clear. The car in P5 just set the fastest lap. 47.981.
Man. I guess you just can't go over that ramp as fast as you'd like. Come on, 4th and 3rd are right there. Well, there goes my chance. Most likely. I mean, you know, I still got some shot, but definitely didn't help. I know you see the steering wheel kicking me back and forth. I couldn't imagine feeling that at more than, I don't know, 12 Newton meters. Like some of these like 20, 25, 27 Newton meters. It's crazy. I assume they turn it down. There's something between them.
Car stops on the left. Car stops ahead.
Thank you, Auto Tear.
You got a slow car on the right. Car stops on the right.
There's one. Come on, I want 4th at least.
You're gaining on the car in front. The gap is 6.5 seconds. Left side. Clear on the left. 5 laps to go. You're back in 4th position. You are where we expected to be.
I feel like he gave me that.
Car stops on the right. You got a slow car on the left. The car in P1 just set the fastest lap. 47.938. You got a slow car on the right.
No, Chris.
Left side. Clear on the left. The leader is coming up with you. They're not at five.
What's up, baby? Okay, sure. You wanna go there again? Okay.
2 left to go. 2 to go.
Yeah, I mean, I don't mind that. I don't mind that thought. This is the craziest stuff ever. It's dirt and road. Yeah.
Car
What
right.
do you mean when I start this?
Clear on the right. Right side.
Well, you're not watching my YouTube then. Got her!
Car right. Clear.
Yeah, for YouTube later. See ya. Yeah, I'm good to go after this. You hear that? I'm getting some
White
Indian.
flag.
Oh, that's the leader right there, huh? Yep. Vidar. He's smooth.
Go left.
Oh, he wrecked. Netcode. It was a joke. She don't know. She don't know none of this. She's sleeping on it. She also didn't know about this new wheel I got, and she was staring directly at it over there. Golly, my left shoulder is tired. Boom.
The leader is coming up with you. They're not at five.
I thought that was the last lap. The leader's just out here having fun. He's like, dude, I got 30 seconds.
Go left.
Does he have 30 seconds?
There's the flag. It's over. Nice run. Solid work.
Thanks. Looks like I finished 17 seconds. Ahead? Behind? I don't know. We'll see. Should be 4th place either way, though, right? How much air did I get? There's no way I could do this in real life. I mean... Oh my god. That poor car. Look at that. There's my wheel damage. Only said it once. Alright, let's see where I finished. Look at that strength of field. P4, baby. A whole second behind. Over a lap down. It's embarrassing. Oh well, anyways, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Hey, next video, season 2? Yep, season 2, week 1, baby. Yeah, please like and subscribe and wait for the season 2 content. Thanks.